Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Digital Experience Heroes. Today, I'm joined with one of my favorite people, Alma from ASQ. She's not only a subject matter expert herself, but she's also a dear friend of mine. And first, I just want to say thank you, Alma, for joining us today. Second, I know that ASQ had to go through a lot of rapid change. Can you tell me a little bit about that first week when the crisis happened? What happened with COVID-19?
So during the first week, we needed to quickly turn around our work from home policy so that every employee can work from home. So we needed to go through our data security and privacy policies and make sure that everything's aligned to the new normal of work from home.
So once you got that done, once you said, okay, now we have a policy from how people can work at home, we also know that we've got our security and our privacy set up. What was the next thing that you focused on?
So now we needed to educate our employees. They needed tools, resources related to these meetings, online meetings. And so the IT team quickly created a FAQ list of all the resources that they could help these employees to work from home.
If you can't expect your employees to be successful, how can you expect your members or your customers to be? So that focus inward was really, really important. The next step is, what'd you do for your customers?
So for customers, we wanted to make sure that they have enough valuable resources from ASQ, but then because this is a time of crisis, we want to make sure that they can access these resources. So we made sure that our professional and above members can access some subscriber content for free. And we are not only that, we are also thinking about other ways to help these members.
ASQ looked at ways that they could help their customers right now, knowing that they don't have one customer, they have many, many members, and they have this valuable content that helps their members get their jobs done. Some of them might be financially secure, but some of them might be in a very desperate time right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up these things that we normally charge for, and we're going to give them away for free for an allotted period of time to make sure that our customers can stay on their feet, they can still do their job, and they don't have to worry about one more blocker in their ability to be successful. So Alma, thank you so much for joining us today, sharing a little bit about your journey, because it's inspired me, it's informative, and I hope it'll inspire others as well.
Thank you, Ari, for letting us share our story with you.